there's something off. The smile that's slightly different. The voice that doesn't sound the same. The celebrity who disappears and comes back looking like a whole new person. No explanation. Just a different energy. Some say it's surgery, others say it's growth. But the internet? It says they were cloned. And the proof? It's been hiding in plain sight. 5. Paul McCartney, the original clone theory. Let's go back to 1966. Paul McCartney, member of the Beatles, global icon. Rumors swirled that he died in a car crash after an argument with his bandmates. The British government, or so the theory goes, feared mass hysteria. So they found a lookalike, a man named William Campbell, trained him to speak, sing, and act like Paul. The cover of Abbey Road is said to be a funeral scene. John in white, the preacher. Ringo in black, the mourner. George in denim, the gravedigger. And Paul, barefoot, out of step, holding a cigarette in his right hand, even though he was left-handed. And then there are the lyrics. He blew his mind out in a car. Allegedly heard when you play Revolution 9 backward. Too much coincidence or a coded confession? 4. Beyoncé, the rise of Sasha Fierce. Next, Beyoncé Knowles, the queen of everything, but something changed around 2013. Her interviews got strange. She often spoke about her alter ego, Sasha Fierce. But fans noticed her whole demeanor had shifted. In one clip, Beyoncé says, "I don't know who I become when I'm on stage. I've created this other person." It got weirder during a 2016 basketball game. She's completely still, almost robotic. No blinking, no reaction. Then there's the theory she was replaced by a performer named Heather Scholl. Their facial features? Eerily similar. And footage from her early Destiny's Child days versus her later concerts? Something doesn't match in posture, voice, even eye shape. Some believe Beyoncé is now just a carefully programmed version of the original. 3. Gucci Mane, the prison swap. In 2014, Gucci Mane was sentenced to federal prison. By 2016, he walked out looking reborn. Fans were stunned. The once heavy, tattoo-covered rapper had transformed, new teeth, chiseled face, lean build. Even his iconic ice cream face tattoo looked off. Social media exploded with theories. That's not Gucci, it's a clone. One tweet read, Gucci Mane went to jail and came out a clone who eats kale. In interviews, he laughed it off, but some say that's exactly what a clone would do. Or maybe the real Gucci never left prison. 2. Britney Spears, the impersonator theory. Then there's Britney Spears. The Free Britney movement shined a light on her conservatorship, but another theory started gaining traction. Fans compared Instagram videos and noticed small inconsistencies. Her voice sounded higher, her teeth subtly different, her signature moves gone. Some claim body doubles are used for her public appearances. One viral video showed Britney dancing, but pausing and staring directly into the camera, like someone trying to remember what they were told to do. Others believe the real Britney Spears hasn't been seen since 2009. 1. Eminem, the real Slim Shady never came back. Eminem, aka Marshall Mathers, nearly died in 2006 from a drug overdose. He vanished from the spotlight and came back looking very different. Fans noticed his facial structure had changed. His voice was softer, his lyrics less violent. Even his eyes, once wild and intense, seemed colder. One chilling moment. A viral clip where Eminem freezes completely mid-interview like he short-circuited. The theory? He died, and the music industry cloned him to keep selling records. Photos from 2003 and 2019 show almost no aging, just a more polished, manufactured version. Is it celebrities disappear, re-emerge, change completely? And we're just told to believe it's a new era. But when the eyes look empty, when the vibe shifts, when nothing adds up, people start asking questions. Could cloning be real? Or are these theories just ways to explain what fame does to people? Because the truth might not be human. Like, subscribe, and leave your takes in the comment.